In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, you need to click on Settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on System section. Now, in order to continue, choose Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Then click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this blue switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see after that, autocorrection is off. If you wish to turn it on, you can always do that by tapping on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!